let me share something crucial. Most relationships struggle not due to betrayal or fights. They tend to fade because the connection weakens over time. Life's stresses, pride, and silence create emotional distance. What if I told you that just 24 hours could change everything? Yes, you can strengthen your relationship quickly. No magic, just heartfelt actions. Today, I'll share 10 impactful ways to enrich your bond. Implementing even 3 will make a difference. Practicing all 10 will transform your relationship. Let's dive in. The first step is to listen without defending. Too often we listen to reply, not to understand. For the next 24 hours, truly listen. Avoid interruptions or arguments. Make your partner feel heard. Validate their feelings. Remember, feeling understood is powerful. Next, express gratitude for small things. Over time, we take the little gestures for granted. Thank your partner for checking in. Appreciate their patience. A simple thank you can mean so much. Gratitude communicates, I see you and you matter. Now put your phone away for 1 hour. No distractions, just your partner's undivided attention. This simple act shows your love. Attention deepens connections in ways time cannot. Next, speak kindly even when upset. Arguments are natural, but disrespect isn't. During disagreements, avoid hurtful words. Speak gently instead. Remember, words can linger longer than apologies. Ask one deep, honest question. Shift the conversation beyond surface-level exchanges. Ask about their feelings or unspoken worries. Deep questions can unlock deeper connections. Utilize physical touch intentionally. A hug or holding hands reassures your partner of your support. Touch is powerful. It communicates safety and presence without words. Next, apologize properly. Real apologies shirk excuses. Instead, say, I hurt you, accept responsibility, and express sincerity. This builds lasting trust and connection. Pray or reflect together. Spiritual connections can strengthen emotional bonds. Discuss hopes, fears, or future plans. Sharing these thoughts invites peace into your relationship. Affirm your partner out loud. Speak positive words. Say, I'm proud of you, or I admire you. Verbal affirmation builds confidence, while silence can create doubt. Finally, end the day with reassurance. Remind your partner they are loved even on tough days. Healthy relationships thrive on emotional safety. Strong relationships flourish in small, intentional moments. If you try just 3 of these tips in the next 24 hours, you'll notice a shift. Love thrives on effort. If this video resonated with you, give it a like. Subscribe for more relationship wisdom. Share this with someone who might benefit. Comment below, which of these 10 will you practice today? Love grows best where effort is planted.